How to fix can't change local account to Microsoft account, 0x80010002. 1. Verify your MS account credentials. And recover your password, if needed. 2. Convert local account to Microsoft account in safe mode with networking. 3. Check if Microsoft accounts are blocked in local security policy. Path, local security policy security settings local policy security options accounts, block Microsoft account. 4. Sign in using a different account.